Hey there engineers, today we're diving into the essentials of machining. We'll break down the basics of single point versus multi-point tools. Ready? Let's get started. First up, single point machining. This is where a single cutting edge removes material from a workpiece. Think of it like a sculptor with a chisel. Common processes, we've got turning, shaping and planing. Turning involves a rotating workpiece with a single-point tool, while shaping and planing involve linear movements. In single-point machining, only one cutting edge interacts with the material at a time. It's perfect for precision cuts on cylindrical or flat surfaces. Plus, the tool geometry is simpler compared to multi-point tools. The main components, the cutting edge, rake face and clearance face. The rake angle affects chip flow and cutting forces, while the clearance angle prevents rubbing. Applications, turning on a lathe, grooving, facing and threading. If you've worked with a lathe, you're already familiar with single-point tools. Now, let's switch gears to multi-point machining. Here, tools have multiple cutting edges that engage the workpiece either simultaneously or sequentially. Common processes include drilling, milling, broaching and grinding. Drilling creates round holes, milling uses rotating tools for material removal, broaching involves a toothed tool, and grinding achieves fine finishes with abrasive particles. Multi-point tools allow higher material removal rates, making them ideal for complex shapes and faster machining. They do have a more advanced geometry and can be pricier than single-point tools. Key components of multi-point tools. For drills, it's the point angle, lip and helix angle. Milling cutters have flutes and cutting edges, and grinding wheels use abrasive particles. Applications include drilling holes for fasteners, milling complex parts like gears and grinding for tight tolerances. And that's a quick overview of single point versus multi-point machining. Whether you're turning, milling or drilling, understanding these tools can make all the difference in your projects. Thanks for watching and happy machining.